time out here today. Put that at the start of the video.
The objective of today is to create awareness of these craft jobs.
It's a good job, get dirty.
Very physical job. It's definitely a lot of fun.
If it's raining, we're still working. If it's snowing, we're still working.
I'm really excited because I heard that there's a lot of hands-on stuff.
So just think of it like a drill. You just drilled the hole and they gotta bring it out.
Expecting to see electrical stuff.
240 volts.
13,000 volt, 46,000 volts.
There's so much here. There's different departments in gas, there's different departments in electric. It's not just what you think it is.
This thing is crazy. I'm definitely excited just in general to see everything out here, like even the drones we got over here.
The drone program has been saving us a lot of labor to find problems that have to be fixed.
There are 4 classrooms over here.
This is the best group we've had so far. Seeing the impact of the work that you do every day, it is rewarding.
People are glad to see us. We're the fix-it guys.
How many of you guys know what a lineman is? Usually I get offensive or defensive.
And you gotta remember, you're doing this about like 30, 40 feet in the air.
As long as you're not afraid of heights, this is definitely a really good department to get into.
We'll be in the air one day, next day I'll be in the hole with a rat.
He has to be all suited up just like you see.
This is the most important thing in gas. It'll be your friend for life.
By the end of the day, you'll know what all those crafts are.
That's cutters, yo.
I say we just get this bad boy to work, put a hole right here.
You wanna try it?
All right, Eddie.
All yours. Nice job, man.
Good job, Eddie.
Hard.
It's a great living, trust me. We have careers. We don't have jobs. We have careers.